got for you? Here we are on the inside of the dry dock, and here's the big concrete structure that they are going to be floating across into the deep pit. As you can see walking around, we have pumps suspended from the formwork, so that when the area we're filming at the moment will be full of water, it will allow the pumps to pump inside the concrete structure to fill it and ballast it, so they can balance the thing before they float it across into the dry dock area in the distance. Section with another pump suspended over the side, and there's a couple of Euroflo men up there running cable around to the control area. Again, another Grindex Major 8 going up the structure. As you can see at the top of the structure, the pumps are suspended from chains with cable. We've got our guys feeding cable around the top, and at the very top there you can see some hoses we've made up to go up over the formwork so they can fill various areas inside the case. Here we have a Grindex Matador suspended 6 metres down, hanging off of a support chain, which then runs up to the top of two or three saddle brackets stuck over the top of the sheet piling. And we have Bauer quick release pipe work running down. 2 pipes are feeding to fill the deep pit area, which we're looking at the moment, and there's 1 pump in there to empty it. In a few days the pumping will start, and we will be looking to fill this area with water. The dry dock now being filled. This was where I was walking at an earlier part in the video. This is now still got a good couple of metres to be filled up yet, but as you can see, this is where our control panels are all now protected. We have Bill, who's been coordinating a lot of the works with us here on site. It's coming very high up the sheet piles now, and as we span around you'll see the scaffold tower in the distance where the other tower crane's coming, going to be fitted. Just to the left of that you'll see our 3 pipes that have filled this from the river. It just gives you an idea of how much water this is holding now. Here we have the case on a float. It's moved probably about 10 to 15 metres away from the original dock. As we pan around you can see the control equipment that Euroflo have installed, and this once connected up to the generator, we've already got this has already been trimmed and is all in balance at the moment for the float out. And then once we moved across, this part of the structure is then going to be going across here, but immediately just below you have a footpath which is on raised soil, and then down below that you have the ground level, and the water height between the ground level and inside the sheet pile is about 7.2 metres. Runs around close to the little area by the river, around past the treatment plant, generators, and piped over to the dry dock. And over there is where the extraction tank is, where the pumps have filled the dry dock area. Here we have flow meters installed so we can monitor the flows going into the dry dock to make sure we have the correct extraction from the river. And also we have a return line and diversion valves so that we can treat the water if needed up through the treatment lagoon.